Hello and welcome to the NEC here in Birmingham. It is time for the Caravan, Campervan and Motorhome Show 2022. Join me as we take a look around the show. Let's head inside. Make sure you print your ticket off. It's emailed to you. The show is sold out, so if you turn up without a ticket, you will not be allowed in this year. With so many people coming to the show for the very first time, the Campervan Advice Centre stand is a great place to start. We always say there's no such thing as a daft question, just the one you don't ask. I'll be on the stand throughout the show, so if you've got questions, want to come and say hi, come on over to the stand in Hall 5. It will be great to see you.
So many people here already, and it's only, 10 past 11. So we've been out here an hour and a half, and I've already seen at least 4 brand new things.
Wow.
And normally that we don't get that much. So Snow Peak are here, which is a really beautiful tent manufacturer. They're from Japan. Talking quite pricey stuff, but absolutely beautiful, and they haven't been here before. And so yeah, there's quite a lot of interesting stuff.
Left this event 2 years ago, and what followed, you know, it was really worrying times, but we got through it, and here we are again, ready to engage with our customers, old and new, and also our friends in the trade, such as you.
COVID caring for all the products on the stand every 2 hours. What do you have to do?
Yes, well, it's decided that that every 2 hours we'll close the vehicle down and clean all the hot points, so we start afresh. So a 5-minute hygiene down, cleaning all the handles, work surfaces, tidying up, and then it's open again for business.
That's brilliant. So you're doing that voluntarily as the Adria Owners Club?
Along with obviously Adria Concessionaires personnel.
Staff, yeah. So here we are with Martin Dorey, campervan owner, writer and environmentalist. That's a long business card, Martin. How are you?
Yeah, I'm all right. Thanks very much. Nice to see you.
Thanks for taking the time to talk to us. So we're back at a show. What's it been like for you? The first day for you and for all of us. How have you found it?
Yeah, I've been here. This is my 3rd day actually, because I've been here for setup. So I've been here since Sunday, looking through the vans that are in the show or in the competition and doing the judging. And so by the time it opens, I'm kind of feel like I've been here for a week.
The amount of footfall. We're told 85% of the people here that have bought tickets to come have never been to a Motorhome Caravan show before. That's just incredible, isn't it?
That is incredible, and there's been a lot of newbies in the market for the last couple of years. So this is the first opportunity they've had to actually see a show like this. But what a lot of people haven't realised, it's been all ticket. And I must say, on our website we've had inquiries and emails constantly over the last week or two about how to get tickets, and I'm afraid there isn't any way. It's pre-booked, and if you haven't got a ticket, you haven't got a ticket. Sorry to say.
That about wraps up today. We're now in the pub with a well-earned pint. It's been brilliant. Lots of miles walked, have to say. Great to catch up with old friends and new. And it's a brilliant show. So if you are thinking of coming, comfy shoes, a bag, don't wear anything too hot. It does get warm in the show, and have a great show.